Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Welcome to Rana Mover channel. You can see today we shifted our one of dearest customer, Mr. Farhan from Pakistan. We shifted his home inside Jeddah. You can see we fitted the AC, complete fitting of AC, air con. Here you can see the blinds, the home center bed, the refrigerator, all the kitchen cabinet we fitted. Rana Movers and Transportation. You can subscribe our channel for more upcoming our videos, household and office hold furniture, kitchen cabinets and cargo related. You can see we are specialist in moving carpentry and furniture works inside Jeddah and from Jeddah to in the whole kingdom Saudi Arabia. Here the IKEA bed, you can see we fitted, dismantling, assembling all the household items, Here the window ACs, curtains. Here is you can see the 6-door cupboards, origin from Egypt. We dismantled, assembled. Rana Movers and Transportation. We are specialists in moving furniture, carpentry work. Please subscribe and like our channel. Also we will tell you how to dismantle cupboards, how to assemble the ACs. It will be very helpful for all of you. You can see. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.